Navy tests autonomous aerial supply drone from its newest Supercarrier. The U.S. Navy recently conducted a demonstration in which a relatively small vertical takeoff and landing capable unmanned aircraft with autonomous capabilities delivered equipment to the Supercarrier USS Gerald R. Ford. The service has been increasingly exploring novel means of resupplying surface warships and submarines that may be better suited to future distributed concepts of operation. On February 21, 2021, a Blue Water Maritime Logistics Unmanned Aerial System (UAS) carried a payload described as lightweight logistical equipment from the Mid-Atlantic Regional Maintenance Center (MARMC) at Naval Station Norfolk in Virginia to the Ford, which is presently in port there. This UAS demonstration leverages cutting-edge technology to enhance our logistical efficiency across the Naval Air Force. Navy Rear Admiral John Meyer, head of Naval Air Force Atlantic, said after the test, "We have come a long way in integrating unmanned systems in naval aviation, and the lessons learned today will help to accelerate this capability to the fleet." The Blue Water drone is a version of a hybrid electric design from Texas-based firm Skyways, known simply as the V2.5. The manufacturer says that this unmanned aircraft features an artificial intelligence-driven flight system, has a maximum range of 500 miles, and can carry payloads weighing up to 30 pounds. It can fly autonomously between designated points. It can either land and release its payload at the desired location or drop it while hovering right above its destination, even if it's in motion, as could easily be the case with a ship. The long-range cargo transport, dubbed Blue Water UAS, is designed to operate with naval forces that typically operate in heavy winds over open water and require aircraft to land on pitching vessels at sea, according to the Navy. The technology demonstrator vehicle can operate in some of these conditions, and further development will be required to meet the full naval requirement. While the Skyway's V2.5 seconds performance specifications and other capabilities appear impressive, its 30-pound payload capacity is relatively small. However, the Navy says that this is more than enough to potentially make the drone a valuable addition to its at-sea resupply options, even for very large ships, such as supercarriers. Carrier logistics is a complex and diverse problem set, Navy Captain Paul Anzalata, Ford's commanding officer, said. Sometimes getting a small part delivered to the ship has a big impact on the availability of an embarked system or aircraft. Having UAS like Blue Water may improve our ability to quickly meet specific logistics needs where payload and ship's location permit. The Navy has also said in the past that when ships encounter problems as a result of logistics-related issues that leave them partially mission-capable or non-mission capable, 90% of the time this can be resolved by the delivery of a component weighing 50 pounds or less. Right now, the service says it routinely uses its SHMH-60 Seahawk helicopters, as well as Marine Corps MV-22 Osprey tiltrotators, to bring these parts out to ships. This can only be an extremely costly process, especially if the total cargo weight is under 50 pounds, which is drastically lower than the maximum payload that these aircraft can carry. It's also worth noting that the air wings on Navy aircraft carriers presently have no drones of any kind. Something like the Skyway's V2.5 would offer them a bottom tier of air transport logistics capability to go along with more traditional carrier on-board delivery (COD) aircraft. C-2 Greyhound fixed-wing aircraft presently perform the COD mission but are set to be replaced by new CMV-22B Ospreys.